Hello, and welcome back to another video. We're going to show you today how to do back testing or forward testing or EA testing. Okay, the importance of this is to show that this EA can be profitable uh, using past dates. Now, this EA that I'm trying out is the official profit retriever on the MT5 and MT4 Pro platforms, designed with you in mind. So the creator is expertforex.com. He has a forum. He has plenty of videos on YouTube. He's got a lot of research and knowledge. So I bought this because his stats, his results were promising. They look promising based on his graph and his previous tests. So while this is finishing loading, I'm going to do a live strategy test so that you can see the power of this profit retriever EA. Now I'm using the minute 15. The one that's finishing up right now is supposed to be using the hour 4, but we can give it a minute and stop what it's doing. Now I'm also going to be participating in the 5%ers aggressive challenge. So when that's complete, you'll get note of that. Let's go back and see when this is going to end. The good thing about this EA is when you have it on charge, it can show you its wins and losses in front of the chart, and also has a very low drawdown. If you set the dollar amount, you can have a very low drawdown potential. So I'm using a gap of 10. This is going to make a sound in a minute now to tell me that it's done. Okay, so on the 4-hour trend, we've got a healthy looking graph. It's actually upward, but I've seen better. So what we want to do is come down on the time frame and do some more tests. But basically, the net profit was 500, the gross was 3,000, the gross loss is 2,700. So that's way too much. What I want to do is get to a profit percentage of upwards of 80% and more. But at the moment, this is what we're working with. So to pass the challenge, I'm using an in minute 15 time frame or lower. I want it to stay above the initial balance. So I'm using a short time frame, a high SMA, and a low dollar amount. So this is the closure amount, $5. This is the closure level, 74%. I'm targeting 0.1 lots, and this current way to trade is basically changed by lots. So you can change it by rate, but right now I'm using change by lots. So let's go into the test and see what we can come up. So let's look at the graph. So there's that big drawdown. It went from 10,764 down to 10,150. And it'll do that over and over until I stop the EA, really. You can trade all day. It doesn't stop. It's a robot. So let's wait for the program to finish. A couple minutes and we'll finish. Okay, so at the end we'll see close at stop, and this is due to the time frame or the amount of time that we're using to test the EA. But on the graph here, you'll see that it got an upwards of 10,764. So that tells me if I wanted to set parameters using an equity stop out, then 10,764 would do that in about 22 to 25 trades. So let's look at the report, and we got 123 for net profit. Gross loss is 2290. Gross profit is 24,100. The profit of trades is 69%. So it went about 69 of them. It's telling me that the average loss is $60 and the average profit is 28. So we want to perfect that, but this will be the end of the video to tell you that it is profitable. And if you want to pass a prop firm challenge, the 5%ers is one of the good ones. With an aggressive challenge like 5%ers, you wouldn't have to use a stop loss. So, take it upon yourself to do your research. expertforexa8.com. expertforex.com is where I've got this EA, and that'll be the end of this video. Have a good day.